Potassium is essential for the healthy functioning of the brain, nerves, heart, and muscles. Potassium, which controls salt levels and eases muscle pain, is often in short supply. This can lead to a condition called hypokalemia. My muscles spasm whenever my potassium levels drop too low. Weakness and stiffness result from muscle tissue not receiving enough oxygen and nutrients. Lack of potassium can cause difficulty breathing, and numbness in the hands, arms, legs, and feet can be a symptom of low blood potassium levels. Potassium intake from food sources counteracts potassium loss through sweat and urine. 1. Sweet potatoes. Both sweet potatoes and potatoes are excellent sources of potassium. A third of the potassium found in potato peels is found in the tuber itself. Potatoes, especially those that have not been peeled, are a good source of this element. 2. Beans. Protein, fiber, and the minerals potassium, folate, iron, magnesium, and manganese can all be found in beans. The risks of inflammation, heart disease, and diabetes are all reduced by a diet high in fiber and antioxidants. 3. Bananas. Bananas, which are rich in potassium, help to keep blood pressure steady. They improve digestive function and help keep blood sugar levels stable. Bananas are a good source of antioxidants, B vitamins, vitamin C, fiber, and potassium. 4. Spinach. Potassium, vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin K, folic acid, magnesium, and antioxidants are all found in spinach. The potassium content of spinach is higher after it has been cooked. As a vegetable, spinach can be eaten either raw or cooked. 5. Tomatoes. Tomato paste is high in potassium, vitamin C, and lycopene, and it even has a few more antioxidants than whole tomatoes. The risk of cardiovascular disease is reduced by potassium and lycopene. 6. Orange. Both vitamin C and potassium can be found in abundance in oranges. Antioxidants. Vitamin A, folic acid, thiamine, and other vitamins and minerals aid in lowering inflammation and the risk of cardiovascular disease. 7. Avocado. Avocado is rich in monounsaturated fats, fiber, vitamin C and K, folate, antioxidants, and pantothenic acid. Its high potassium content is good for your heart and can help prevent metabolic syndrome. 8. Coconut water. The minerals and potassium included in coconut water are a great source of nutrition. Drinking coconut water is recommended by many people with low blood pressure, since it provides energy and helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Minerals like calcium and salt can be found in coconut water. 9. Watermelon. Watermelon is a great source of potassium, carbohydrates, protein, fat, and fiber. Fruit amino acids improve arterial function and lower blood pressure.